Hi, I'm Maggie Kelly, the Communications Director for the Estacada School District, bringing you a special summer edition of Super 60 Seconds. I hope you and your family are having a relaxing summer break. In the Estacada School District, we're still busy working to ensure that your start to the school year goes smoothly. Over the summer, we are maintaining and deep cleaning our facilities, and this year we are doing a seismic upgrade to improve Rivermill Elementary School. These improvements were made possible when the district was awarded an almost $2 million seismic grant. We're also working diligently to onboard new employees, and we're excited to welcome talented new leaders at both Estacada Middle School and Estacada High School. Please join us in welcoming Sarah Shields to the EMS family and Ryan Rosenau to EHS. Both Sarah and Ryan got the chance to meet our great community during thorough interview processes and during our recent 4th of July parade. Another project nearing completion is our back to school information. Over the next couple of weeks, you can expect us to release full information on school supply lists, back to school dates, and more important back to school essentials. Lastly, I'd like to invite our community to one of our Summer Park Series events. This is a great time for families, kids, and community members in our district to learn more about our schools during a fun, family-friendly event. We will be providing food, park entry, games, and fun, free raffle items. Find a park event near you, and we hope to see you there.